Hello guys, welcome to PGEUP. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Today we are going to show you how to make money online using this website, which is ready to pay you up to $100 for just sharing and promoting their website. So guys, if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned and watch to the very end of this video. Make sure you don't skip any single part of this video, because if you do, this is not going to work for you. With that being said, let's get into the video right away. Now, this website is called getresponse.com. The website is an email autoresponder platform and is very easy to use. So if you have not yet signed up for an account, make sure you sign up for an account right away. It is totally free to sign up, as you can see right here. So if we scroll down, you will see that it has been trusted by both big and small brands. So what this website does is that it helps people like you and I to grow their businesses by helping them build up their email list to help them to keep up with their customers. And as you can see right here, they have the free version, which is totally free forever. That means when you sign up, you won't have to pay anything at all. The free version includes email marketing, website builder, connect a domain, a list of up to 500 contacts, landing pages, sign up and contact forms. So anybody who signs up on this website will be getting all of these for free and forever. So how do we make money on this website? So all you need to do is to scroll down to the last bottom of this website and look for affiliate programs, which is right here. So once you see it, click on it, let it load, and you will land on this page. As you can see right here, get paid when you refer a client to get response. So if you scroll all the way down right here, as you can see, affiliate bounty program, you will be getting $100 for every single sale you refer to sign up on this website through your link, which is a one-time commission for each one person you refer. So all you need to do is click on sign up and get started. So the question is, how do you get customers to sign up on this platform? Very easy. The real truth is, everybody who is working online needs this kind of website to keep track with their customers. That means everybody running a YouTube channel or running an online business or a social media influencer or a freelancer or a content creator or a small online business or a blogger, and anybody who is working online needs this website too to keep in touch with their customers. That's where you come in the picture. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be going online and getting people to sign up for this program using our affiliate link. You can do that by joining Facebook groups. Example of such group is the Make Money Online groups. You can join them and send them your link to sign up with it. Or you can look for YouTubers that you think will need an email list to keep record of their customers and send them an email directly. And the truth is, every YouTuber online needs this kind of website to keep up with their customers. So all you need to do is to look for their email addresses and send them a message containing your affiliate link, and they will check it out. There are millions of YouTube channels online, so you can do this as many times as possible. All you need is to click on them and search for their email addresses and send them a message, and they will reply you. Okay guys, make sure you go through every of the process we just explained in this video. Watch the video again if you miss out on anything. So guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new video when we post a new video. And if you have any comment, put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.